Hi guys, Johanna Waha Manchu, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you're existing, thank you so much for tuning in. So yeah, today we're making some Clemengold with mustard chicken wings. So let me take you through the ingredients. So in here I have barbecue spice, I have garlic powder, I have Cajun spice, and I also have baking powder. I have my cooking oil, I have cornflour, in here it's fresh cream, our squeezed Clemengold juice, our mustard. So it's just any mustard. Originally this recipe actually requires Cajun mustard, but I don't have. I will use what I have. So yeah, let's start. I'm just going to add my spices, mixing with the baking powder into my chicken. And guys, so use your hands to mix evenly everything. And I'm gonna add some cooking oil. Let me add all of it. 2 teaspoons of cornflour. I will list the measurement on the description box. Oh my gosh, I sound so weird because I just woke up. So yeah, let's do the thing. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this juice because I wanted to marinate with the chicken so we can maximize the flavor. So the intent for the juice is to do the sauce. So you see now it's making this to loosen up in the spices so it can hold better. I hope it is sharp, and thank you guys for coming, and I hope you guys gonna try my recipes. You must tell me when you try it, and when you are here you can suggest whatever you want me to cook so you can see. And I hope you're ready for the next class because we're gonna be making some wings. So this is how it looks. I am going to put this in the fridge for about an hour, and then we're going to use air fryer. If you don't have air fryer, guys, you can still use your oven. I just need air fryer. I'm gonna use air fryer just because it's quicker. And yeah, see you after an hour, and we'll be doing some sauce. So I've decided to use the oven. So yeah, let's do this. We're gonna bake this for about 40 minutes, and we'll make the sauce and it will be done.